Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to add the flame frame effect in CapCut PC. So first of all, we're just going to choose a random clip, we're going to add it to the timeline, you can crop it and do any changes that you want to it, and then once you're done with the video and you just want to add the transition or the effect, you're going to go into this effect section, and then to find the flame frame you're going to go into light effects. Once you're here, you're going to select it. Wait for it to download. As you can see, it's loading, and just press on the plus. So right here it's in the timeline now, and you can adjust it to capture the whole clip. Now how you can make changes is pretty simple. You can go in the right side, you can choose the strength, so how like the saturation of the video, the color of the frame. So let's just say I'm just gonna make it like this. You can add the strength, so how bright the flame is, the size of the frame, so you can make it bigger, and how fast it burns. And there we go. We have now the flame frame effect in CapCut PC. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.